Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. What we are going to see in this video is how to add Raspberry Pi 2, 3 and 4 in Proteus 8. For that, I have given the download link in the description, so click there and download. When you click the download link, it will direct to the drive link. Here you can see this is Raspberry Pi 2 library file and this one is Raspberry Pi 3 library file and this one is Raspberry Pi 4. So download all these files. Go to the folder. First of all, select these three files and paste in the separate folder and then extract all the files. Create another separate folder. Copy these two files. Paste it here. And also copy these two files. Now you can see all the library files in same folder, so copy all these 4 files and close here. Close the Proteus. Go to the file location of the Proteus and here you go to the Proteus 8 professional file and then go to data file and here you can find the library file. So here you have to paste what you have copied in the library file. So right click and paste. Here you can see all the files are pasted here. So close this one. Then let's open the Proteus. Create new project. Let's check the command list. Here you can see Raspberry Pi 2 and here Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4. So double click this one and this one and this one. Click Raspberry Pi 2 and place it here. Raspberry Pi 3 and this one is Raspberry Pi 4. Here we have all 3 Raspberry Pi. So if you want to do project in Raspberry Pi, you can create the circuit and simulate here. And that's all about today video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.